In this video, we will be reviewing the maintenance steps for our Copeland series condensers. Check coil for dirt accumulation. Clean to remove dirt buildup. Use a brush and vacuum to clean the coil. Check for damage or evidence of leaks on the coil. Check for fin damage and evidence of fouling on the coil. Clean and restore to ensure acceptable condition. Check the control for dirt, debris, and loose terminations. Check all electrical connections for integrity. Clean and tighten electrical connections as needed. Check motor components for pitting or other signs of damage. Next, power on the system. Check fan operation and confirm the fan is running. Check voltage and amperage of the equipment. When outside of recommended levels, find and record the cause. Check refrigerant system pressures using a manifold gauge. Remove caps from liquid king valve and suction service valve and connect hoses. Remove additional caps to access adjustment stem. Prior to adjusting the valve stem, the packing nut must be loosened. Crack the valve stem by adjusting it clockwise approximately 1 turn. Retighten the packing nut after any valve adjustments. Remove the additional cap from the suction service valve and adjust the stem. Some models come equipped with a packing nut installed on the suction service valve. Follow the previous packing nut instructions if applicable. Verify pressures are being read by manifold gauge. Connect temperature sensors to suction line and liquid line near service valve. If using a clamp sensor, use foam or equivalent material to ensure proper contact on liquid line. Check sight glass and verify no bubbles are present. Verify moisture indicator is displaying dry color. Measure superheat and subcooling temperatures. When outside of recommended levels, find and record the cause. If necessary, adjust the TXV and refrigerant charge to achieve optimal operating levels. For more information and access to the checklist, click the links in the description box below.